Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on assignment abroad times today newspaper. Before we start the video, I would like to share one news with all the subscribers and viewers. So friends, I would like to congratulate Mr. Rajesh Mantri, our regular subscriber from Telangana. He got selected for Europe. He's our regular subscriber and watching our videos only he got this opportunity. So I'm very glad and I'm very happy. So friends, let's start the video. You will see all the job posting for Gulf countries and some other countries as well. There are many free recruitments also. So the first posting is for Saudi. It's a long-term job and the vacancies are in large number. Final client interviews will be on 29th of September in Mumbai and 30th of September also in Mumbai. And there is one more interview in 1st October in Ahmedabad. So friends, 29 and 30th will be in Mumbai and 1st October in Ahmedabad. The positions are mechanical engineer, senior mechanical technician, electrical engineer, electronic engineer, heavy driver, senior or junior electronic technician, senior machine operator, fabrication technicians, general technicians, GPS supervisors, glaze line supervisor, cane supervisor, polishing supervisor, grinder, sorting and transfer supervisor, mason, block, plaster and tiles. So friends, all above candidates should have minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in ceramic, tiles or heavy industry. So these are the contact details. You can contact for any other queries on the given number. Next is for Qatar, for a leading catering industry, and they have clearly mentioned that only Muslim candidates they are looking. So the positions are QHSE officer or supervisor, restaurant and catering, QHSE manager, oil and gas, food, Chinese cook, South Indian cook, chaat maker, bakers, Hyderabadi biryani cook, Komi first and second, Asian, tea maker, paratha maker, DCDP, continental cuisine, Komi first or bakery or pastry, restaurant supervisors, laundry supervisors, assistant operation manager, F&B supervisor and finance manager. So all above should have 4 to 8 years of experience from catering and restaurant industry. Food accommodation will be provided by company. So you can see the contact details below. Next is for Dubai. Final client interviews will be on 27th of September in Mumbai. The positions are electricians, tray work, electricians, duct supervisor, senior electricians, trade trucking fitters, supervisors, electrical and mechanical, site engineers, electrical, mechanical, and electrical foreman. Free food, accommodation, OT will be provided by company. Only shortlisted candidates will be appear for the final interview with the clients. So first you need to send your documents for shortlisting. Don't forget to add all the experience certificate, educational qualification certificates, updated CV and passport copies. This is standard application process for all the countries and all the postings, whatever job it may be. This is for Abu Dhabi for a leading oil and gas project. Positions are project manager, maintenance. Salary range is like 20,000 AED and the number of opening is only one. You can see positions, number of openings and salary is clearly mentioned. Another position is project engineer civil, electrical engineer, HSE engineer, HSE officer, quantity surveyor, QA/QC inspector, planning engineer, site administrator or storekeeper, supervisor civil, supervisor electromechanical work, land surveyor, job performer civil, job performer electromechanical. So all candidates with oil and gas industry experience will be preferred. Good in English communication. Shortlisting in progress, so you can apply. Age limit is from 22 to 50 years. Shortlisted candidates will be called for the final interview. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the details below. Next is for Saudi. It's a free recruitment. Walk-in shortlisting from 27, 26, 27, and final face-to-face client interview will be on 28th of September. So you can send your documents immediately. Positions are welder 6G TIG arc, pipe fabricators, isometric drawing, foreman welding and fabrication, safety officer and mechanical helpers. Running card is must. 8 hours duty plus food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. All candidates should have diploma, ITI or SSC with minimum 3 to 5 years of Gulf shutdown experience. So below are the contact details. You will get email ID, WhatsApp numbers, address, mobile numbers, everything on all the job postings. So read the detail carefully. You can take a screenshot if needed. Next is for UAE. The positions are fabrication engineers, structural and piping, mechanical engineers, diesel maintenance and hydraulics, marine estimators, marine invoicers, HSE manager and QA/QC manager. Excellent salary and other benefits will be provided by company. You can see the contact details and email ID. The number is UAE number, so you can approach via WhatsApp, and the email ID you can see. Next is for Dubai Steel Fabrication Company. Client interviews will be on 30th of September in Mumbai. Vacancies are in bulk. So the positions are AutoCAD draftsman, mechanical, production engineer, purchase assistant, planning engineer, junior engineer, service engineer, steel fabricators, MIG welders, TIG welders, millwright, mechanical fitters, welders, riggers or scaffolders. So experience in steel fabrication company. Attractive salary plus food and accommodation will be provided by company, and OT will also applicable. Next is for NPCC UAE. Client interviews will be on 4th of October in Mumbai, and the positions you can see, most of the positions are welders positions. They have mentioned all the details and salary range in AD. So fabricator, pipe, structural, fitter, 6G welders in different streams, and age for all this position is up to 45 years, and candidate with minimum 2 to 3 years of Gulf experience will be preferred. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. So these are the details. Next is for Iraq, Saudi and UAE. So for Iraq, it's a semi-government company project. Positions are medical lab technician, senior food laboratory technician, senior construction material lab technician, and senior chemical laboratory technicians. So you can see the salary range is given in US dollar, and there are some other openings for a reputed company in Saudi or UAE. The position is MIG welder, CO2 welder. Salary will be 1200 plus 300 for food, Saudi Riyal. So these are the contact details, mobile number and email ID. Next is for NSH Abu Dhabi. Client interviews will be on 30th of September. Candidates should have minimum 5 to 8 years of oil and gas experience. Gulf experience is must. So the positions are instrumentation foreman, electrical foreman, instrumentation technicians, instrumentation tube fitters, industrial electricians, cable tray fitters, instrument fitters and tube fitters. So you can see the positions are in bulk, and this posting is for oil and gas project. So you can forward your updated CV along with all supportive documents. Next is for Dubai, for a aluminum industry. Client interviews will be on 3rd October in Mumbai. Experience in fabrication and installation of aluminum elements like doors, curtain walls, doors, windows, and free food, accommodation, OT will be provided by company. Positions are aluminum draftsman, designer, estimation engineer, and aluminum fitter. Vacancies are in large number. Next is for Qatar for a oil and gas construction project. Gulf 4 to 5 years of experience is must and age below 45 years for the positions which are for Qatar. So you can see the positions: senior instrument engineer, QA/QC civil engineer, civil inspector, E&I inspector, pipe fabricator, pipe foreman civil, welding inspector, equipment inspector, civil supervisor, hydro test supervisor, transport coordinator, foreman, carpenter, welding foreman, electrical supervisor, and many more. You can see all the positions. And there are some other positions as well for Qatar for a oil and gas maintenance project, for which the client interviews will be on 29th of September. The positions are mechanical technicians, static mechanical technicians, rotating, electrician, LV panel, HVAC technicians, civil charge hand, motor rewinder, industrial electrician, generator electrician, electronic technician, and painting supervisor. Some positions for oil and gas maintenance project from Middle East: production supervisor, planning assistant, serviceman, and spray painter, QA/QC inspector as well. So all engineers must have degree with ECNR passport, and supervisor and foreman must have diploma. Technicians with diploma and ITI will be preferred. And for this consultants Mumbai office also they have some requirements. The requirements are technical consultants, sourcing executives, and recruitment coordinators. So you can see the contact details. Next is for Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and the positions are maintenance manager. So first I will explain about the chart: category, salary range in Saudi Riyal for each position, then overtime whether it is applicable or not. If yes, then what will be the amount, and incentives. So it's a combine of all these things. So maintenance manager, mechanical engineer, electronic engineer, electrical engineer, senior mechanical technicians, electrical technicians, electronic technicians, general technicians, mason, fabrication technicians, and machine operator. And there is one more position: senior machine operator or tiles making. So friends, if you have any doubt in this salary structure, you are free to call on these given numbers. Multiple mobile numbers are given. Call them and get the clarity. Again, free food, accommodation, medical, transportation, everything will be provided by company. Must have experience in any industrial or manufacturing company. For engineers, degree compulsory. For technicians, diploma or ITI for 3 years, it's compulsory. So client interviews will be on 2nd and 3rd October from 9:30 am to 5:30 pm in Baroda. These are the contact details. Next is for Dubai for a leading construction company, and the position is foreman or junior foreman or charge hand. Number of openings are 300. So friends, it's a bulk opening. Tile, marble, paint, gypsum, joinery work. So all this related work will be there. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. You can contact Mr. Praveen on the given number. You can see their email ID this way on your left hand side. This is for Saudi. Client interview shortly CV shortlisting in progress. So the positions are mechanical foreman, structure fitter, mechanical technicians, electrical foreman, industrial electrician, cable joiner, carpenter, scaffolder, civil foreman, mechanical helper, pipe fitter, solar panel technicians, electrical helper, mason, steel fixer, and scaffolder. So food accommodation will be provided by company and OT will also applicable. I hope you have noted the contact details. This is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 8th of October in Mumbai. The positions are industrial electrician, cable joiner, safety stewards, and safety inspector. Food accommodation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable, and the vacancies are in large number. You can see the contact details below. Next is for Qatar. Shortlisting and selection in progress. So the positions are piping engineer, QA/QC inspector, pipe fitter, structural fitter, fire warden or fire watcher. So friends, they have mentioned the detailed requirement for each position. Better you take a screenshot and read it carefully later before you apply. So these are the details. Apart from that, attractive salary, food, accommodation, transportation, medical, everything will be provided by company. Below are the contact details for your reference. One of them are is the WhatsApp number, so you can directly ping them on WhatsApp also. This is for UAE for a long-term project. Final client interviews will be on 4th of October in Vadodara, and 5th October in Mumbai. Detailed address of the interview locations are given. Positions are pipe fitters, 6G TIG arc welders, millwright fitters, welding foreman, and piping foreman. So these are the contact details. This is for Oman and UAE. So for Oman, the positions are planning engineer, junior estimation engineer, scaffolding, refractory engineer, IT engineer, hardware and networking. And there are some positions for UAE, diesel mechanics, generators, pump mechanics, TIG arc welders, and some other welders are also required, structural welders also. So you can send your documents on the given email ID, and for any doubt you can contact on given mobile numbers. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews will be on 30th of September in Mumbai. The interviews will start from 7:30 am onwards. Positions are structural fabricators, pipe fabricators, and pipe fitters. The vacancies are in large number. Minimum 3 years of experience in shipbuilding, ship repair, oil and gas industry. Employment visa, immediate departure, ECR passport accepted. Attractive salary plus food and accommodation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews will be on 30th of September for glass and aluminium company. All candidates should have experience in glass and aluminium industries. Positions are site supervisor, glass fitters, project managers, aluminium fabricators, site engineers, aluminium fitters. So kindly mention the positions in the subject for email while you are applying for this any of the position, and these are the contact details. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be in Kolkata on 30th September, 2nd October in Chennai, 4th October Mumbai, and 6th October in Jamshedpur. So minimum 5 years of experience is required for all these positions. The positions are maintenance supervisor, MEP, waste management supervisor, quality or safety inspector, electrical technicians, supervisor reception and help desk, food quality assurance manager, housing or soft service manager, logistics coordinator, and there are many positions, friends. So better you take a screenshot, because if I'll read out all these positions, the video length will increase drastically. So please take a please take a screenshot. This is for Saudi Arabia. Interviews will be at 4 locations: Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, and Jamshedpur. Take a screenshot of these open positions. So for above positions, minimum 5 years experience is required, and for these positions, minimum 3 years of experience is required. So take a screenshot and just keep this difference in mind. Experience in hospitality facility maintenance field is mandatory. Gulf experience will be preferred. Contract will be of 2 years. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company, and below are the contact details for your reference. Next is for Iraq. Client interviews will be on 1st October in Mumbai. The position is mechanical technician. The number of openings are 150 and salary will be 1000 USD. Must have engine overhauling knowledge. Minimum 5 years experience in oil and gas industry is required. 8 hours duty plus overtime. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Shortlisting in progress. So you can rush with your CV and passport and other required documents. Next is for Saudi. Travel within 20 days after selection. It's a long-term job and walk-in interviews will be on 26, 27, 28 of September. Positions are TIG arc welder CS, full TIG welders SS, copper nickel welders and scaffolders. You can see the salary. Age 23 to 49, fresh and written both accepted. ECR, ECNR both passport can apply. 8 hours duty plus OT, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. So below are the contact details. This is for Dubai for a ready mix plant and batching plant. The positions are foreman, general yard, mobile pump and placing boom, hydraulic mechanic, ice plant technicians, site technicians, mobile pump operator, concrete mixer operator, checkpoint technicians, assistant mechanic and shovel operators. For rubber section, bending machine operator, stirrup operators, maintenance technicians, charge and share line operators and logistics assistant. For POD section, foreman, erection, installation, civil, foreman production, final finish and panel assembly, steel, mason, waterproofing and tiling. Charge hand civil, glass technicians. So these are the positions. You can see the contact details. This is for UA. I'm sorry. God, what is this? So friends, this is for UA, and client interviews will be on 29th of September at Cochin, Chennai and Mumbai. Positions are senior project control manager, civil superintendent, civil supervisor, fire watcher, HSE engineer, project engineer, planning engineer, HSE officer, senior planning engineer, senior project control engineer, quantity surveyor, senior scheduling engineer, senior quantity surveyor, QA/QC inspector, piping, welding, painting, rotary and statistics, civil, senior project document controller and painting supervisor. So minimum 5 years and above experience. Gulf experience will be preferred. You can see the contact details for Mumbai, Chennai and Cochin offices. Next is for Saudi. Shortlisting in progress, client interview shortly. So friends, you can see positions: mechanical technicians, planning engineers, instrumentation and control technicians, assistant engineer, mason, carpenter, gas turbine operators, plumbers, electrician and many more. There are some other positions as well, and the detailed requirement are also clearly mentioned. So better friends, you take a screenshot and read this detail later on carefully. Attractive salary, food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Below are the contact details, mobile number and email IDs plus detail address. Next is for Dammam, Saudi. Interviews will be on 27th of September at Delhi, 3rd October in Mumbai. You can see the detail address, mobile number, email IDs for both the locations. Positions are operation and maintenance supervisor, housekeeping supervisor, heavy equipment operator, mechanical technicians, low voltage electricians, mason, computer aided facility management operator, safety officer, planner, scheduler, locksmith, bus driver, furniture carpenter, and plumber. So all above candidates should have ITI or diploma with 5 to 8 years of experience in same field. And there are some positions for which 2 to 3 years of experience is required, and the positions are wall spray painter, gardener, helper, and cleaner. Vacancies are in large number. Only Gulf experience candidate can apply. Attractive salary. Next is for Aramco project. Client interviews will be on 29th of September in Mumbai. Positions are building electrician, industrial electrician, electrical supervisor, HVAC engineer, electrical leadman, QC electrical, QC coating, cable, splicers, and all should have Aramco approved and Aramco experience, or Aramco experience is required. Below are the contact details, so you can apply immediately. Next is for Saudi. The position is pipe fabricator. Final client interview will be on from 25th September to 1st October in Mumbai. Must have minimum 7 to 10 years of experience in oil and gas industry, and must have Gulf experience. So attractive salary, food, accommodation, transportation, overtime, everything will be provided by company, and duty will be of 8 hours. So 8 hours and then overtime. Next is for Saudi. It's a free recruitment. Final client interviews will be on 25th of September to 1st of October in Mumbai. The position is pipe, multi-welder, TIG and arc. Minimum candidate must have minimum 7 to 10 years of experience in oil and gas industry. Must have Gulf experience. Food, accommodation, transportation, everything will be provided by company. Same like the previous posting. Next is for Oman. Free food, accommodation will be provided by company. Walk-in interview on 3rd October in Mumbai. And the positions are industrial electrician, electrical supervisors, electrical foreman, cable tray fitter, structural welders, scaffolders, plumbers, and mason. Attractive salary, 8 hours duty plus daily 3 hours OT. It's a long-term job, and you can see the positions are also in bulk. 2 years contract will be there, so you can send your documents like updated CV along with other supportive documents on given email ID. Interviews until 3rd of October. This is for UAE. Client interview will be on 5th October. It's a free recruitment, friends, so you don't need to pay any service charge. And the positions are QA/QC mechanical leader, subcontracts coordinator, unit WMS coordinator, HSA officer or supervisor, QA/QC coordinators, fabrication, welding or machining coordinator, core supervisors, block leader, HSE trainer, floor coordinators, assistant storekeeper, hazardous or waste handling coordinators, material coordinators, LDP coordinators, quantity surveyor, rigging supervisor, drivers, and many positions. So friends, better you take a screenshot of these openings as well. Please note that this is the free recruitment. All candidate must have Gulf experience. Shortlisting is in progress, so you can send your documents for shortlisting. Next is for the Dubai. Client interviews will be on 25th of September. Free food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company, 8 hours duty and OT. All candidates should have minimum 2 years of Gulf experience. The position is electricians. Please mention positions in the subject line for all the job that you apply. Next is for Saudi. Next is the Saudi. Client interviews will be on 29th of September. You can see, friends, the positions like number of openings are in bulk. And the positions are structure fitter, scaffolder, rigger, and assistant supervisor. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Oman. It's a long-term job. Interviews will be on 3rd October in Mumbai and 5th October in Cochin. You can see the positions. Next is for Saudi again. Client interviews will be on 29th of September in Mumbai. You can see the positions are in bulk, and the positions are 3G MIG welder, 3G arc welder, airless spray painter, man lift operator. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Attractive salary. Below are the contact details for your reference. This is for Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. You can see the positions and salary range is given for all the positions, and the open positions are civil engineers, sales engineers and fabricators. So only water treatment plant experience candidates can apply. Below are the contact details. Next is for Bahrain. It's a CV selection and video interviews. So only Gulf experience and highly skilled Indian experience candidates are allowed to apply. Friends, you can see there are multiple positions. I would not be able to read out all the positions, so better you take a screenshot and review the details later. So there are many attractive salary and positions available for different projects. So please take a screenshot. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. You can send your documents on given email ID. If you find any difficulties in reading out any job posting, please text me on my WhatsApp. I will share the details with you. The link of my WhatsApp group is in description. This is for Saudi for a cross-country pipeline project. Vacancies in large number. Positions are site boom operator, excavator operator, HMV driver, heavy equipment mechanic, auto electrician, heavy equipment and hydraulic mechanic. So food and accommodation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable. Next is for Dubai, and the client interviews will be on Teams, like online interview. The positions are HVAC technician, AC technician and safety officer. Free food, accommodation, OT will be provided by company. CV shortlisting in progress, so you can hurry up and send the documents for shortlisting. Next is for NBTC UAE. Client interviews will be on 29th of September in Mumbai and 30th of September in Vadodara. Positions are charge hand civil, carpenters, laborers, wall painters, riggers, steel fixers and AC technicians. Candidates should have minimum 3+ years of experience, preferably in Gulf. So friends, you can see multiple mobile numbers are given. So if you have any query about any posting, you can contact them directly. Next is for Oman. It's a long-term project. Client interviews will be on 30th of September in Mumbai. The positions are piping engineer, piping foreman, riggers, welders 6G arc, gas cutters, grinders, pipe fabricators, foreman, helper mechanical, airless spray painter, piping supervisor, HSC advisor, welder, mechanical technicians, pipe fitter, fire watcher, hydro test technicians and sandblasters. So all candidates should have 3+ years of Gulf experience in oil and gas industry. Below are the contact details. Next is for Saudi. The positions are electrical engineer, poultry houses mechanic, generator mechanic, electromechanical technicians, electrical technicians, then senior mechanical technician, refrigeration and AC electrician, warehouse keeper, housing supervisor, salesman or heavy driver, welder and cook, continental and Gulf foods. So candidates should have minimum 5 years of poultry farm experience in India or Gulf countries for all above positions. Attractive salary, overtime, paid leaves, free accommodation or allowance, weekly off, etc. as per Saudi labor law. If you have any queries about perks, you can directly contact them on given number and get that clarified. Next, free recruitment is for Kuwait. The positions are industrial radiator technicians, industrial radiator fabricators and 6G TIG arc welders. Friends, few job postings are not clear, it's blurred. So if you are finding any difficulties in reading out, please text me on WhatsApp. I'll share these details with you in person. Next is for Saudi, and it's a free recruitment. Client interviews will be on 28th of September in Mumbai. Positions are TIG arc welder, pipe fabricator. So you can see salary range plus allowances are clearly mentioned. So you can read it carefully and apply. So friends, this was today's job postings. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe if you are new on this channel and share this video with your friends so that they can get benefit of it. Thank you for watching.